Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2019 Ford F250 6.2 engine liter here. So right now for the check engine light, it's on right now, even though on the code here it says not current. So when I checked out the battery, this is a very common issue on a Ford, any kind of Ford, especially mostly trucks, with the battery, with this code right here, the code in the middle, ECM, PCM, power relay, de-energized. So this code is a bad battery or a weak battery will cause like any of the code to come on. It could be anything. It could be evap, it could be lost communication, or any of that. With the weak battery, bad battery, it'll throw any kind of code. So there's no light right now. Sometime it's on. I don't know why it's not on right now, but earlier it was on for me. But let me try it again. Let me see if it actually comes back on. So right now it doesn't show, but I'm gonna show you the battery on the car that's bad. Now, so when I check the battery, you can see the condition of the battery. All the acid, the little powder start coming out of the battery already. So this is a bad battery. I'm gonna use my battery tester here. So 12-volt battery, code cranking amp. So for this one, the code cranking amp is 650. Now, code cranking amp 650. I have it right there. I'm gonna test it. Now you can see it says state of health is 35%. So just replaced. Now the state of charging is 63. After I replace the new battery, all of the charging system will be back to normal 100%. You got the battery. You're gonna take out the top bracket right here that's holding down to the battery. You're gonna take out your negative, take out the negative, and then you're gonna take out your positive. Move everything to the side. Oh hell no, this is too heavy. Now I took out the battery already. I'm gonna clean the terminal, so I have a hot bowl of water right here. I'm gonna dip the terminal down to it. You don't want to pour hot water onto the terminal because when it gets down to your car, it'll eat up the paint. So just dip it into the bowl, kind of rinse it out, and then wipe it down with a towel. So that way the metal contact, making good contact with the battery. So positive. And get all that checked out. Clean out the terminal a little bit, so looking good, better than before. This one too, a little bit more cleaner, better. Look at my old battery. Now I got my new battery in already. I'm gonna put my terminal back. There you go. That's good. That's good. There you go. That's good. That's good. Now after the battery install, I let the engine idle. Let it run for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna show you the result again. 12-volt battery, code cranking amp. This one is 750. This one I bought from O'Reilly. This is O'Reilly battery. 750 code cranking amp. There you go. You can see state of charging. That's the alternator, 100%. State of health for the battery, 100%. So this is good. Now all you gotta do is just clear the check engine light. Right now I'm gonna key on, and then I'm gonna clear the check engine light. I'm gonna show you the code again one more time. There you go. That's the code. That's the all the code that the bad battery set to come on. The middle one is for the battery code. Now for this one, sometimes the check engine light turns on, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it turns on, sometimes it turns off. Earlier it turns on for me, but it doesn't do it anymore. So I'm gonna clear it just to make sure. There you go. That's it. So turn it back on, and the engine start up very strong too, not like before, kind of weak. But that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But no, I'm out. Peace.